now I have SF4. For the valence electrons, sulfur has 6 and there's 1 of them. Fluorine has 7 valence electrons and there's 4 of them, for a total of 34 valence electrons. Here's the Lewis structure I drew for SF4. Notice there are single bonds between each sulfur and fluorine, and there is 1 lone pair on that middle atom, sulfur. So sulfur does go in the middle since it is a lower electronegative atom of 2.58 electronegativity, while fluorine has a higher electronegativity of 3.98, so it goes on the outside. Because of this as well, the most electronegative fluorine gets the delta minus symbol. Least electronegative sulfur gets the delta plus. And the polarity arrows are again pointing outside towards the fluorine, towards the most electronegative. And because this structure is the best Lewis structure to use, they do have a formal charge of 0 for each. This is trigonal bipyramidal, and it does have a seesaw shape. This is the molecular geometry model that I drew up for SF4. Notice the bond angle over here of less than 90 degrees, so not quite 90 degrees, and over here less than 120 degrees. On this side we have an angle of 180 degrees. The bond between sulfur and fluorine is polar covalent. Overall, the molecule is polar, and it does have a hybridization of sp3d. This is my model. See that from all angles. The middle white represents sulfur, with the purples on the outside representing fluorine. This orange is that lone pair we saw here. And that's it for SF4.